When it comes to preventive maintenance for your blasting setup, the small details matter. We'll focus on the small daily tasks that will make a big difference coming up next. Welcome to Industry Insights. Too often when we visit customers' facilities, we find that breakdowns are occurring and productivity has slumped due to the lack of daily and regular maintenance. When it comes to preventive maintenance, the details matter. These are the daily checks that you can execute in your blast room, which should only take you 5 minutes per day. Unfortunately, due to the simplicity of these tasks, many companies make the choice to skip some, if not all of the recommended steps. Here are 5 most commonly skipped preventive maintenance steps. Number 1, remove any trash in the recovery system, floor grates, and the conveyors or screws. Empty trash bins where you are using a Blast One live trash screening system. Number 2, check deadman control lines and deadman handles, particularly at each connection point for damage or air leaks. Repair or replace as necessary. Number 3, check blast hoses for any external wear and damage. Number 4, change your blasting helmet inner lens and install outer lenses for protection. Number 5, drain moisture from the bottom of the filter canister on breathing air supply. It's the little mishaps or the time-saving shortcuts that result in missed deadlines, equipment failure, and loss of time, which will ultimately cost you thousands of dollars. This is why we emphasize the importance of preventive maintenance. Use this video and the provided checklist to train your team the correct daily procedures that they need to do. This will lighten the load of the maintenance team and keep your blast room operational. A crew that is dedicated to doing these quick checks daily is more empowered to ensure that they will have a productive day and not have to stop in the middle of a shift because they are out of abrasive, machines fail, or have a safety incident. To keep your equipment in top condition, Blast One offers our trusted annual service contract that handles the more complex and specialized maintenance needs and provides a system tune-up to keep you highly productive. Give us a call to find out more about our maintenance recommendations. Ask about scheduling a blast room tune-up or a preventive maintenance contract. Until next time, thanks for watching.